Ha Mitakuyepi. Hello, everyone. And let us continue our dialogue of these two people getting to know each other. And I will put the dialogue on the screen now. And let's go through each word. I will say the word, and then I will define it. And then I'll say it again, and then you repeat it after me. Okay? So let us begin. First word, first sentence, lel. This means here. It's a place. It's here. Repeat after me, please. Lel. Very good. Next word, lila. This means really or very. Repeat after me, please. Lila. Very good. The next word, oiokpi. This means something like happiness, or it's a state of feeling really nice. Repeat after me, please. Oiokpi. Very good. Let's go to the second sentence. And here, the first word, huh. This can mean yes. It can mean hello. It can also be something you say when you affirm something. And please remember, in these video lessons of this dialogue, we are speaking in the Tioshpai way. And what this means is that sometimes there are words that are different for men and women. And when the situation is serious or formal, then men will say those words, whatever they are. And whenever we encounter them, I will put it on the screen. Yeah, I will show you. And if the situation is informal, or it's among friends and relatives, it's a nice social discussion happening, then men will say other words. And so this word huh is normally what women say. But like I said, when men are in informal situations or among close friends and relatives, or they want to extend friendship to somebody they're meeting for the first time, then they will say huh. Everybody, repeat after me, please. Huh. Very good. Next word, na. This means and. Repeat after me, please. Na. Very good. The next word, wachja. This is a flower. Repeat after me, please. Wachja. Very good. Next word, ki. This means the. Repeat after me, please. Ki. Very good. And the next word we already had, lila, so we'll jump over and go to the next word. Washtemina. This is when something smells nice. Like you go into a restaurant, or you're cooking something and it really smells good, or it can also refer to perfume and cologne and things like that. It makes you feel good when you smell it. Okay? So, this is washtemina. Repeat after me, please. Washtemina. Very good. Okay, now jumping to the third sentence. The first word, tuswecha. This is a dragonfly. Repeat after me, please. Tuswecha. Very good. Next word, ota. This means many. Repeat after me, please. Ota. Very good. Next word, yukhe. This is like there are. So repeat after me, please. Yukhe. Very good. Okay, fourth sentence. First word, nakung. This is something like and also. Repeat after me, please. Nakung. Very good. And the next word, hena. This means they. Repeat after me, please. Hena. Very good. And the next word, owe. This is a color, like red, purple, green, like that. Repeat after me, please. Owe. Very good. The next word, tokja. This means really different. Repeat after me, please. Tokja. Very good. The next word we already had, so let's jump over it and go to the last word in that sentence. Hechapi. This is like they are or there are. It's plural. Repeat after me, please. Hechapi. Very good. Okay, now going to the next sentence. The first two words, we've already said those. So let's jump to the next one or the last word in that sentence. Owayang washde. This means pretty or beautiful. Repeat after me, please. Owayang washde. Very good. And then last sentence, we had the first one already, the first word. So let's go to the last word. Hechechapi. This means they are. Repeat after me, please. Hechechapi. Very good. So now let us learn to say each sentence. I'll say each sentence and then you repeat it after me. And remember to try to say it the same way that I say it. When I put more accent on something, say it like that too, okay? Because this is the music of the language, and that's what I'm teaching you as well. So, repeat after me, please. Lel lila o iokpi. Good. The next sentence. Na wachjaki lila washtemna. Very good. The next sentence. Tu swecha ota yukhe. Very good. Next sentence. Nakung hena oe tokja ota hechapi. Very good. All right, next sentence. Hena lila owayang washde. Very good. And the last sentence. Hechechapi. Very good. Now let us dialogue. I will be person 1 and you will be person 2. So you say the parts where it says P2. P2 means person 2. So let us begin. Leo lila o iokpi. Tu swecha ota yukhe. Hena lila owayang washde. Very good. Really good. Now let's switch the parts. You say the person 1 part, and I will say the person 2. So you can begin now. Ha, na wachja ki lila wa shtemna. Nakun hena oe tok ja ota hechapi. Heche chapi. Cool, very, very good. Very good. You're speaking Lakota. So learn this dialogue and practice it. And there's a lot of things in here that you can say in other situations. Like when you walk into a place and it's really nice. Maybe it's a disco or some kind of a club or a restaurant or somebody's home. You can say, La lila oyokpi. It's really nice here. See what I mean? And so there are many things you can substitute here too, like where I say, Ha na wachja ki lila wa shtemna. Instead of wachja, which is flour, maybe you can say a food item there. And so you would say that instead of wachja. Yeah, that's how you can do that. So practice this as much as you can, like I said, and let the language become you. So with that, thank you for participating in this lesson, and I hope to see you in the next one. I invite you to come visit my website at wolakota7.com. You can see the address on the screen, and here you can learn about the books that I've written and also some of the services that I offer. For example, spiritual consultation and Lakota language lessons. And you can see the books that I wrote, and one of them called Kea and Matho Stonehearts I wrote with my wife. And if you would like to order these books or order any of my services, you can see all the information on the screen. And for more questions, please write to me at the email address that you see at the bottom right of the screen. I'd like to thank you all for watching my Lakota Language YouTube channel. And I hope you're getting information that can help you in learning the language. And the best way to learn Lakota language is to also learn the culture of the language, because a lot of the language rules are based on cultural and spiritual concepts. And if you don't know, I do have another YouTube channel that is based more on the Lakota spirituality and Lakota culture. And I'm going to put a link to that channel in the video description. So if you don't know about my other channel on Lakota spirituality, I invite you to come visit and check out the information that I have there. I got a lot of videos and also some songs, traditional songs and contemporary songs. Yeah, so I invite you to visit my other channel. Everything is a circle. There is no end. So that's why we say until next time, which in Lakota is Doksha Ake. And with that, I will catch you in the next video.